Hey everybody, Donald with Topwolf Automotive, and this video is Harbor Freight Tool Run. Stay tuned. I am back to my Leesburg Harbor Freight, camera friendly hopefully. Looks like they got all their wrenches now. Full truck I guess they got today or something. So this video is for Matt here at Harbor Freight, doing a video picking up who knows what. You said 1/4 inch impacts. I don't see any 1/4 inch impacts here. They got the stars. So that was a thought of getting. But what I need is a couple hammers. Let me mosey on down here to the hammer section. Alrighty, here at our hammer section. Need a couple hammers. Dead blow. Oh, 3-pounder. In the basket. And maybe this 2.5 mini Thor. Yeah, we'll go with that. And in the basket. Alrighty. Let's see what I can find for the free coupon. So we'll be back. Alrighty, I've been looking to the store, and the only other free coupon item I need is another set of these. A 6-piece screwdriver set to have backups or whatever. Never have enough screwdrivers or something like that, right? So in the basket that goes. Still looking. Alrighty, Matt. G6. There was my day at Harbor Freight. Hopefully you did a video on your day at Harbor Freight. So we'll mosey on over here to Walmart. So, alrighty, I'll be back. Alrighty, done with the short Harbor Freight tool haul for Friday. I got a mini Thor hammer, 2.5 pounds. And I got a 3-pound dead blow hammer. And for my free coupon, I went ahead and picked up another set of screwdrivers. Hopefully they're changed. Some new free items come around pretty soon, but that's what it is. Howdy guys. Keep this Harbor Freight tool haul short. I appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions as always. Stay safe out there guys, and we'll see you in the next video.